the monkey, and the dolphin. One day long ago, some sailors went out to sea in their sailing ship. One of them brought their pet monkey and their long journey. When they're far out the sea, a terrible storm overcame their ship. Everyone fell out the sea, and the monkey saw they would drown. Suddenly, a dolphin appeared and picked him up. They soon reached the island, and the monkey came. The monkey came down from the dolphin's back, and the dolphin says, "Do you know this place?" And the monkey said, "Yes, I do in fact. The king of my island is a best friend. Do you know that I'm actually a prince?" Knowing that no one lived on the island. The dolphin starts swimming out. And the dolphin starts swimming away. And the dolphin answered, "That is easy. That means you're the creator on this island. You will naturally be a king." The moral lesson of the story is those who lie and boast may up in trouble.